Convert Pandas column containing NaNs to Dtype int. I read data from a .csv file to a Pandas data frame as below. For one of the columns, namely ID, I want to specify the column type as int. The problem is the ID series has missing empty values. When I try to cast the ID column to integer while reading the .csv, I get. Alternatively, I tried to convert the column type after reading as below, but this time I get. How can I tackle this?
The lack of nan rep in integer columns is a Pandas gotcha. The usual workaround is to simply use floats.
My use case is munging data prior to loading into a DB table. Remove NaNs, convert to int, convert to str, and then reinsert NaNs. It's not pretty, but it gets the job done.
In version 0.24, Pandas has gained the ability to hold integer types with missing values. Nullable integer data type. Pandas can represent integer data with possibly missing values using arrays.integer array. This is an extension types implemented within Pandas. It is not the default type for integers, and will not be inferred. You must explicitly pass the type into array, or series. For convert column to nullable integers use.
It is now possible to create a Pandas column containing NaNs as type int, since it is now officially added on Pandas 0.24.0. Pandas 0.24.x release notes. Quote, Pandas has gained the ability to hold integer types with missing values.
If you want to support the channel, please